here. One goes in the HDMI, and one goes into the USB. Fantastic. And now you should see the light pop up here on your device. However, after all that work and installing the software, I'm still not quite able to get anything to run. And this is the Oculus runtime, and it gives me different. This one says something about the GPU not being good enough. Another one, let's see if I can get in there somehow, because you can download these things called runtimes, and I've done that. I've done a few. I'll try to download another one to see what that does, but in the meantime, while that happens, we can take a look at some of the things that I already downloaded and that I tried. Like this one here, can run one of those. This one says the application is not good. I tried downloading this yesterday, but it failed. Can try it again. And then there are the ones that are already downloaded, and these are the kind of the originals. It takes a little bit while to load, so I apologize for that. Here we go. Say welcome to Oculus and all that good stuff. You get started, terms and conditions, sure, whatever, agree, and it tells me unsupported CPU, although this isn't exactly the oldest computer, so theoretically it should work. And then the other one that I tried was this one called the bypass. And as you will see in a second, I will get another error, because I usually do. Agree. Tells me that it's verifying the setup. I have installed all the required software. So let's see what happens.